Hello everyone, this is Juhi Bhardwaj. Welcome all to my YouTube channel Vibe with Juhi. I'm a tarot card reader, numerologist, Vastu expert and a crystal healer. And this channel is all about numerology, some Vastu remedies, spirituality and some crystal healing tips. So if you are interested, don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel below. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon button so that you get notified whenever my further video is released. So let's get started with our today's video. Let's see what's there in today's video for each and every one of you. So let's see what's there. So today I'm going to talk about number 3. That what are the personality traits of people who are born on 3rd, 12th, 21st and 30th of any month. Let's see what are the characteristics, their nature, their temperament and what kind of attitude they have towards their life and what kind of approach they take towards others. Let's see what are their traits. Firstly, 3 is a very powerful number, a very powerful number, because 3 is a number of mind, body and spirit. So if you are born on 12th, 30th or 21st or 3rd of any month, that means you are ruled by number 3. Because if you add 12, 1 plus 2 comes to 3. If you add 21, 2 plus 1 again comes to 3. And if you add 30, 3 plus 0 again comes to 3. That means if you are born on 3rd, 12th, 21st and 30th of any month, you are ruled by number 3. And number 3, as I said, it's a very powerful number. It's a number of mind, body and spirit. So people who are ruled by number 3, if they channelize their energy, if they utilize all their powers, all their strengths in a centralized manner, they can do wonders. They can achieve success. They can reach great heights in their life. They can balance their mind, body and spirit, all these 3 things together. That's why it's a very powerful number. And number 3 is ruled by Jupiter. Jupiter, it is the biggest planet in our solar system. It is the planet of growth and expansion. And that's why people who are ruled by number 3 have great progress. They grow a lot in their life, whether it's their personal life or whether it's their professional life. And Jupiter is the lord of knowledge and wisdom. And that's the reason people with number 3 who are born in all these states are filled with knowledge and wisdom. They have got immense amount of knowledge. They have that hunger for knowledge and they try to gather the maximum information from wherever they can get. Whether it could be by reading books, reading journals, reading magazines, watching some informative videos, watching documentaries, watching news channels, or it can be also by interacting with a number of people, communicating with them and knowing about their experiences, their life experiences. Because people with number 3 are extroverts. They're extremely social individuals. They love interacting with people, communicating with them, having good conversations with them and knowing them about their life experiences, learning life lessons from them. That is the reason these number 3 people are really knowledgeable. They have got immense amount of knowledge in them. And as I said that people with number 3 are extremely social, that means they're party animals. They love to party. And they are the life and soul of the party. They are the center of attraction of any party. They can bring energy to any boring party, whether it's a business party or it's a casual party. And number 3 is a number which is very joyful. These individuals are really fun loving. They love to have fun with people who are there with them. And if you are with number 3, if you have a friend, a colleague or your senior member in your workplace or your business partner is number 3, or if there is any person in your family, your relative who is number 3, and that means you cannot be sad for a longer period of time if you are with number 3. Because number 3 is a very cheerful number, a very cheerful number. They cannot see other person sad or depressed or stressed out for a longer span of time. No, they have that beautiful quality of making others happy, making others feel positive about themselves and about others as well. And that's a pretty good quality and excellent quality that number 3 individuals possess in them. And that makes them unique from all other numbers. They are very fun loving and they are very lively, full of love. And now comes the next trait. Number 3 individuals are highly independent. They're highly ambitious. They have got some of the other qualities of number 1 as well. They like to have authority in life, and they're never satisfied with what they have in their life or wherever they are. They always want to reach at a very top level position in their life, and they want to achieve more and more. They want to earn more and more in their life. And number 3 is a number. If Jupiter is favorable in your horoscope, these people tend to get a lot of name, fame, dignity, respect, and reputation in the world, because they are really hardworking and energetic individuals. They really work hard towards their goals, towards accomplishing their goals, and their energy is commendable. We can't even compare the energy of number 3 with any other number. Of course, each and every number is unique in its own way, but people with number 3 have got innumerable amount of energy. There is no limit to that. They can work for the entire day, still they don't get tired. These individuals need to learn the comfort of doing nothing. Yes, because these individuals don't like to sit idle at all. Even during their vacation time, even when they are on a holiday, they don't like to sit idle. They do something or the other creative things, because it's a creative number as well. 3 number is a number of creativity, expression, and communication as well. These people have got excellent communication skills, great communication skills, because they know how to convey their message to the other person in a very presentable manner. They have very good presentation skills. They like to present themselves in a multiple ways. As I said, this is a number of expression as well. They love to express themselves in a multiple ways, in a variety of ways. And that's the reason there are a lot of people with number 3 who are TV anchors, TV hosts, RJs, or actors, dancers, musicians, writers, who have got number 3 in their birth chart. Because for writing, what do you need? Creativity, good sense of humor. And number 3 possess a very good sense of humor in them. And for TV anchors, hosts, for actors, you need to be expressive and communicative. That's the reason they can become very good TV anchors, actors as well. And now if I talk about motivational speakers, people with number 3 are really good motivational speakers as well. They are the true inspirations for the youth or even for the elder people, because they know how to guide people, how to motivate and encourage them in a beautiful manner. Because as I said earlier, they cannot see any other person stressed out. They cannot see other person in a sad mode for a longer span of time. They are the ones who make the other person feel positive about themselves and about others as well. So even if it's a most difficult situation going on or any bad phases going in their life, even during that particular time, they'll see positivity even in a negative situation. And that's a wonderful quality that people with number 3 possess in them. And now I would like to talk about some other traits with respect to number 3. Like number 3 individuals are really stubborn as well. As I said, they have some qualities of number 1 as well. So they are stubborn because they are childish in nature. Sometimes they act immature, and they have the tendency of switching their energies. Like they switch from one energy to another energy. For example, if today these individuals feels that they are good at this particular thing, they are good at writing, so they'll start writing. And at the very next moment, they'll start thinking, no, that this work is not meant for them, and they just jump on to some other work. So they switch energies from one energy to another energy. And that's really not a good thing. Of course, they are multitaskers. They can manage multiple things at a single point of time. But for that, they need to concentrate on one particular goal as well. They need to have one aim in their life. If they channelize their energy, as I said in the starting as well, if they channelize their energy, if they utilize all their strengths or their powers on one particular aim, they can do wonders. They can achieve success in their life. And they do get a lot of progress, growth, and they do get a lot of name, fame, and reputation in the world. But they achieve success and progress at a later part in their life. And people with number 3 are really smart, intelligent, confident, and very courageous individuals. They have a very dynamic and bold personality. They don't give up until it's over. They don't give up till the end. They'll fight back. They'll really work hard towards achieving their goals, towards achieving their targets. Even during the baddest phase, even during the worst times, they don't give up. They'll work hard until they don't achieve their goals. And that's a wonderful quality, the pretty good quality that number 3 possesses in them. And they're very kind, generous, and very caring individuals. They love helping others. They love motivating and guiding others. They can become great inspirations for other people. So that's it. That's all I have for today's video. In case if you want to know more about numerology, some Vastu remedies, spirituality, or you need some crystal healing tips, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel below. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon button so that you get notified whenever my further video is released. Also, if you would like to have an in-detail reading with respect to tarot cards, numerology, you need some Vastu remedies, you can definitely contact me through my email ID, or you can also DM me on my Instagram account. Or if you would like to place an order for any crystal, you can contact me on my email ID, or you can also DM me on my Instagram account. Links for the same I have mentioned in my description box below. So thank you so much for watching my video.